Maybe I'll get it open. Okay. Uh-oh. I don't like it when I see this stuff. That stuff I don't mess with. All right, that can go bye-bye. Put it over here. That box, because it's bigger. Okay. Tablecloth, don't need that. I think this whole box is gonna be a donate. What's this? That's stained glass. I don't know, it's not. Hang on to it for now, but, oh, here we go. Looky there. I was really sad that this box was not great, but this says made in China. So I don't know if these are actually vintage, but I think I can still sell them. And it's a pretty big strand, gumdrops. So I've not sold the gumdrops before, but we have sold the candies before. What's down here? Tree. Anything else lurking in the bottom? Okay, so the gumdrops saved this box. I thought I was gonna be donating all of it. So that's good. We got something out of it. All right, another $5 box. Woo! Okay, let's see what we got. This is one of those things that you like, you build it. It's a reindeer. I'm not gonna mess with it. But, you know, somebody might pick it up if I donate it. That's broken. That's a bummer. Hand decorated glass ornaments. They're not a brand that I would mess with. But if I donate them, somebody may pick those up for their tree. Knowing my luck, I would break it Avon. I don't know what that is. Basket of love. So it had chocolate in it. Donate. All right. What's in here? This could be okay. Looks like one of those animated Snoopy toys. I may have to pause. All right, and it looks brand new. Let's see if we can get it to power up. And it works. So that's a nice little find. What's in here? Avon. It says Festive Snowflake. Donate that. All right, what's in here? The Rock-a-Bye Kitty. Clothique. Ooh, Clothique can be good. It's got the original box. Okay. We'll keep that. I don't know if it's worth anything or not, but it's in the original box. It's got to be worth a little bit, right? Okay. And this stuff I do not mess with. So, all right, let's go to the next box. This box is $10. Not keeping that. All right, what is this guy? What on earth? Look at his buttons on his face. Huh. I have no idea. Is that just like a decoration? Looks like somebody made it. It's kind of fun, right? Huh. I don't know what I'll do with that. These are just somebody's old Christmas rags. Get rid of those. What's this? This is kind of cute. Christmas trees. Family tradition, farm. It's like a bag. Huh. Probably something came in it. I don't know. This is probably like a tablecloth or something. Holiday time salt and pepper set. Nah. North Pole. Water globe Target. I mean, it's cute, but it would be a complete pain to ship because probably wrap it in that and donate it. Oh boy, here we go. Let's see. This is small. Dickinsville porcelain figurine. Christmas Valley. I've never heard of this. Too bad these aren't like a good brand. Santa's Workbench. Annie's Market. The Steamin' Cup Coffee Shop. Limax. Put that with the ornaments from another box. Well, I will look up Christmas collectibles, Christmas Valley. Probably will not mess with those. Okay. All right, this is a $10 box. Absolutely no education in these, except you get to see what I'm keeping and what I'm selling. But then again, I still end up donating a lot of the stuff I say I'm gonna keep. But I'm guessing this is for like somebody's maybe display. It's supposed to look like snow or something. All right, Avon Peekaboo Mouse ornament. I'll put that over with the ornaments. What's this? Little sheep. And the Nativity. I don't know what brand that is. What I like about it is that it's in the packaging, so I may hang on to that. What's this little guy? Heavenly Angel Fan Light Pole. Oh, you put it on your light. Huh, it's a weird packaging for it. Dickinsville porcelain tree. That is not what's in there. Okay. Not gonna mess with that. Stocking. What's this say? It says Noel. Door hanger. I don't know if somebody would want that or not. Maybe I'll try some of this stuff on Whatnot. I hate to, you know, get rid of stuff that people actually want. Gift. I don't know what that is. Let's see. It says your special ornament mail carrier. Okay. We'll look at that. Let it snow. It says 1997. Ah, what is all this? Okay. Santa's Workbench. This is small. It's a duck pond, so I don't mind smaller stuff. So we'll maybe look into that. Avon Dove Salt and Pepper Shakers. 1993. And then it's got the collectible candle holder that goes with it. I'm guessing probably a bread and butter item. Life's Most Cherished Moments. Christmas Around the World. Holy Family Light Ornament, or cover ornaments. I don't know what that means. Oh, that. Oh, wow. They go on your, you can put a light in it. So it's, oh, his arm's broken. Shucks. Okay, I can look into this, see if it's anything, maybe part out the ones that are not damaged, probably just donate it. Avon, festive accents for your home. Let's see, let me get it open. Okay, it's kind of cute. They are Avon, they're little candles. They're pretty cute, right? Don't need that. All right, what are these? I'm guessing they're Avon. Avon Pine Cone Cluster. Mountain Pine Fragrance. They must smell good. Let me smell. They actually do smell good. They kind of look like little ornaments also. And there's quite a few of them here. Are they all the same, I wonder? Forest Fresh Pine Cone. That one says Pika Mouse Sweet Honesty Cologne. Most Avon doesn't have value, but some of it can be decent. I do have a video on Avon items to look for. It's an older video, but look, that's kind of cute, right? I will look it up because some discontinued things can go for decent money. That looks like it's new old stock. So Avon Happy Holidays tree ornament. Put that with the ornaments. Some Christmas socks. Fashion knee highs. Donate. What is this? Wow. That's all one big old piece. That'll get donated.